Now let us see another type of overwriting. In this type, we will see how to overwrite when we use operators like mathematical operators or conditional operators or logical operators. Let us go to Python and see some example. So last time we wrote books equal to 2. Then when we got 2 more books, we directly wrote books equal to 4. But instead of writing the value of 4 directly, we can use mathematical operator and do the addition. So we can write books plus 2. Let's write one more print statement, print books. Now let us save the file and run the code. Books is still printed as 2. The value of books is printed as 2 again. Why? Because in programming languages, addition is different from overwriting. So all mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, that is different from overwriting. When we add the value, Python will add that value to books, but it will not overwrite the old value with the new value automatically. We have to change it. So here we only added 2 to books, but after adding we did not change the old value of books with the new value. How do we do that? After we do the addition, we have to, as a second step, overwrite the old value with the new value. So in this statement we did the first step. So we added the value of 2 books. So we had written books plus 2. Now let us do the second step. In that step we will write books equal to here at the beginning. So we have written books equal to books plus 2. Now Python will first add books plus 2. So we know that books is equal to 2, so it will add 2 to it. So now the value is 4. Then the second step, Python will overwrite the old value with the new value. So now books will be equal to 4. So save the file and run the code. See, previously the output was printed as 2, but now the output is printed as 4. So let me repeat this again. When we add the value, it will not change the old value with the new value, because addition is different from overwriting. Okay, we have to put the variable name at the beginning and put the equal to sign to overwrite the old value with the new value. Now let us repeat this exercise with multiplication. So let us write chocolates equal to 3. Now let us say somebody double the chocolates we have, so we have to multiply it by 2. So now we are going to multiply the chocolates by 2. So first we can write chocolates into 2. Now let's print chocolates again. Now I'm going to save the file and run the code. See, the value of chocolates is still printed as 3 because we multiplied it, but we did not overwrite the old value with the new value. So what should we do to change the old value? That is correct. So we will put chocolates here equal to at the beginning. Let's add it. Now save the file and run the code. Now the value of chocolate is printed as 6. So let me repeat. When you add, subtract, multiply or divide, the old value will not change. It will change only after you add another step to overwrite the old value with the new value. We will be using this concept of overwriting a lot when we look at loops, which is our next topic. So I am very excited to talk to you about loops in our next topic. So I will see you soon. Bye.